Welcome back for my morning report analysis videos with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets on Tuesday 20th of November. Let's have a look at cable, which interestingly has actually settled down a bit. Yesterday's session, a little bit quiet, just 90 pips actually, and if you look at the fact that the average two range is around about 140 pips at the moment, that's a pretty quiet session. But I think it's still just going to be the calm before the storm. I think the fact is that the news flow on surrounding Brexit has just died down a touch. Doesn't seem as though at the moment there's going to be a leadership challenge from the Conservative Party, and subsequently I think that we're seeing a little bit of a calming period developing just very near term, but I think it's going to be the calm before the storm. Anyway, in terms of outlook on the technicals, you've still got the negative bias on the outlook. And I think that there is going to be a move likely still to be driven by the Brexit news flow, but I think this is going to be a move that still comes back to probably retest the lows again. 27.20 was Thursday's low, sort of stabilised a touch since then, but as I said, I think that you look at the momentum indicators and the fact that they're trading under all the moving averages, it still would lend to the fact that selling into strength remains the sort of more likely scenario where that you'd be profitable. However, it's going to be news flow driven, so that would be your caveat there. Now look at the hourly chart, you can see this sort of stabilising in sentiment really, but I've sort of mentioned yesterday 28.85 being the basis of resistance with these old lows, and that's pretty much come in the last few days actually now. So that is still the case. So you've got this band of resistance overhead that the market is sort of failing to get through. 130 big figure, I suppose you could still argue, is obviously psychological, but a basis of resistance as well. And I still think that you're going to be seeing selling into strength really through sterling, given the fact that you're going to get significant uncertainty politically in the UK. Now, a little bit of dollar weakness has helped to pull cable higher, but as I said, I think that ultimately the sterling negativity that you're going to get through the political uncertainty is likely to trump that. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.